Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can connect MT5 to TradingView. So let's get started. First, it's important to know that MT5 cannot be connected directly to TradingView unless your broker supports TradingView integration. To check whether your broker is supported, open the TradingView app or website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open the Broker section and search for your broker's name. Check whether it appears in TradingView's list of supported brokers. If your broker is supported, select it and sign in using the credentials for your broker account. Once the connection is established, you may be able to place trades directly through TradingView while your broker processes those trades through its MT5 infrastructure. However, if your broker doesn't appear in the supported broker list, there isn't an official way to directly connect your MT5 account to TradingView. In that situation, you can still use TradingView for chart analysis, technical indicators, and market research while keeping MT5 open separately to manually place and manage your trades. If what you're looking for is automatic trade execution between TradingView alerts and MT5, you can use a third-party bridge service such as Pine Connector. These types of services can connect TradingView alerts with MT5 using webhooks and an expert advisor, allowing alerts generated by your TradingView strategies to trigger actions in MT5. Keep in mind that third-party bridge services may require a paid subscription and additional setup on both TradingView and MT5. You should also test the connection carefully before using it with real funds. So, if your broker supports TradingView, you can connect through the supported broker integration. If it doesn't, you can use TradingView and MT5 separately, or consider a third-party bridge for automated execution. And that's it. That's how you can connect MT5 with TradingView and understand the available options. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.